Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in Filter. To begin, understand that filtering is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data. It allows you to display only the rows that meet specific criteria, making large datasets much more manageable. This process helps you quickly locate important information and focus on relevant details, enhancing your overall data analysis efficiency. Let's start with the basics of applying filters. First, click on any cell within your data table. Then, navigate to the Data tab and select Filter. You'll see drop-down arrows appear on your column headers. Click these arrows to select specific values, filter by text, numbers, or dates, and quickly narrow down your view to the data you need. Now, let's explore some advanced filtering techniques. Custom filters allow you to set specific conditions, like greater than $1,000, or contains report. You can also filter by cell or font color, which is great for visually organized data. Remember, combining filters across several columns helps you pinpoint very specific subsets of information, making your analysis incredibly precise. To truly excel, follow these best practices. Always ensure your data is well structured with clear headers and no empty rows, as this prevents filtering errors. After your analysis, remember to clear all filters to restore the full dataset view. For recurring tasks, consider saving your filtered views. This approach ensures efficient and accurate data management, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.